In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a premium auto dealership website with Claude 4.5 Sonnet. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of leveraging the power of Claude to build a professional and responsive website for your auto dealership business effortlessly. To get started, you'll first need to access Claude Sonnet 4.5. You can do this by using the Claude app, which is conveniently available on the web, iOS or Android. Once you've opened the app, you're ready to initiate your project. Begin a conversation with Claude by providing the necessary content and prompt to guide its understanding of your project requirements. The prompt you'll want to use here is a concise message that clearly outlines your website goals. For example, you might say, "Create a responsive website for a premium auto dealership named Elite Motors. Include sections for our vehicle inventory, financing calculator, customer testimonials, contact information, and an online booking system for test drives." This prompt ensures Claude has all the essential elements needed to craft a comprehensive website. Upon receiving your detailed prompt, Claude will begin to process the information. This is where the magic happens, as Claude generates the required HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for your website. It's all done seamlessly, providing you with a code base specifically tailored to meet the needs of your auto dealership. As Claude begins crafting your website, you'll notice its precision in incorporating features that enhance the user's experience and meet business objectives. The vehicle inventory section is designed to showcase your car listings elegantly, allowing potential customers to browse effortlessly through your offerings. The financing calculator can be an essential tool for customers, providing a convenient way to estimate their payments and budget effectively. Next, the customer testimonial section adds a layer of credibility and trust to your site, displaying real feedback from satisfied customers. Including this section not only enhances user engagement, but also serves as a persuasive tool to convert prospective clients. Then, there's the contact information section, which ensures that potential buyers have multiple ways to get in touch with your dealership, be it via phone, email, or visiting your premises. Finally, Claude's inclusion of an online booking system for test drives is a game changer. It streamlines the process for customers to schedule appointments, making it incredibly easy for them to experience the cars they're interested in firsthand. Once Claude completes the website code generation, review the output to ensure all your specific needs are met. While Claude does a fantastic job of automating the process, there's always room for a personal touch or adjustment to suit your branding preferences perfectly. There you have it, a professional, fully functioning auto dealership website created seamlessly with Claude 4.5 Sonnet. By leveraging Claude's capabilities, you can focus more on running your business, knowing your online presence is in great hands. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.